right, I just wanted to show you how to save on Photoshop. So again, I have my photo here, I have my layers, I did a little bit of editing. Say I wanted to add another layer on top here and do some drawing. So say I wanted to pick up this color and draw on my picture, whatever it might be. I have multiple layers here. So when I go to save, there's two ways to save, and there's two different reasons for saving the way that you do. First, don't ever just press save. That's going to save it to Photoshop. You might not be able to get to it the next day. So please do not do that. Always go to save as. So now I'm going to hit save as, and a lot of things are going to pop up. My format right now automatically goes to Photoshop. That means it's saving all of these layers. So when you save to Photoshop, it saves all the layers. That takes up a lot of space. It makes it more difficult to download. It makes it more difficult to print. It makes it more difficult to email somebody. So I'm going to save as a copy. So I'm going to go over to save as a copy. I'm going to save to my desktop. And I'm going to, you could call it whatever you like. So I'm just going to call it movement or move. And I'm going to hit the format here, and since I'm saving it as a copy, now I can hit a JPEG. JPEG, this top one, not these, this the top JPEG, is going to flatten all these together. It's going to make it just one picture. It's going to save up a lot of room, but you will save it, and this will pop up. You can keep it right around an 8, that is fine. Once you press OK, it will be back here on your desktop. I have two screens going right now, so I can't show you the second screen. But once you have it on your desktop, then you could click and drag it into your Google folders. All right. So again, if you want to save and have all these, say you're doing the drawn on or something else where you have text on here and different things. So you have all these different layers and you want to keep all those layers for the next time that you work on this. You can do that. You're going to go up to File, still Save As, go to where you want it to be saved. Again, I like to go to Desktop because then I could drag it into the folder that I want. I'm saving it as a Photoshop one. I would save. So this will pop up. You can press OK. Then it will be down on your desktop, and then you want to make sure that you click and drag that into a Google folder, which I'll show you in one second. Hold on. So then once you have all your stuff on your desktop, then you could go into your Google Drive. So you'll pull up your Google Drive and pull up your folder that has that in there. So say it was my art classes and going into digital photography, and you would have different folders here. Now you could just take that picture, click and drag it into whatever folder you need to put it into. Alrighty? Then don't rely on saving it to the desktop, because someday you might walk in and your computer is completely gone. If you have it in Google Drive, at least you know you can get it on your laptop, you can get it on this computer, but do not just keep it onto the desktop here. Because again, sometimes your computer may not be working, and do not save to Photoshop. All right, any questions, please let me know. Thank you.